Where look our artists ngendlela safarisha ngayo. They failed to protect umuntu wayewafaka isinkwe emlonyeni uhlawuthi umtswane because ngiyafisa futhi ama MK amahle sibabuyise bonke lawo bantu ababe progressive o matswanengi nabo Mgcitama na khona lo mfolo bephethe uPrasa bonke those people we need to bring them back. Brian Mlife, we need to bring them back after. Let's tell people, let that be our campaign because abantu they know abantu ebebenza kahle. We will bring back those people. Let's campaign guys with our facts. Hayi lento yenziwa iANC yokurobha abantu. Thank you.
No, siyabonga kakhulu nje ndangabala wonke ama facts osowashilo are in sync and enza umuntu obengayiboni into ayibona ukuthi eyazi ukulokhu ngihleli kulendlu le ngizosha ngempela ngiphume la wena ukhave zonke izindlu ezibomvu ezigreen eziblue uyikhave zonke ngendlela einstinct ngayo unyouth leadership eyouth kanjalo I think kufanele bake babone isibonelo kuMgcitama. I don't think useyouth but that guy is so humble. Exactly. Very humble uMgcitama and uMgcitama ngiyanitshela nje bafethu sesingasho ukuthi BLF uyiMK yabo uyiMK and lo muntu ngeke umfice yabona abantu abakhishiwe laba sebekhishiwe manje mina was ridiculed ngabo yabo leyo nto le but ngiyibona ukuthi ingozi le yabo definitely and abantu kufanele bafunde ukubona ama patterns. I look at things in patterns. Number one, you can't be coming in as a interim leader when you're already having bodyguards. Why are you having bodyguards? You are driving expensive cars. Where are you getting that money? When you are allocated by Newsroom Africa, SABC, ENCA, podcast, you are allocated a time to have interviews. How is that happening? Because if you agent labo bantu labo, they will give you all the resources. When you are having more resources more than Ubabu Kumalo. How is that happening? That's how we need to look at those people. And the abantu sengaba identify, I mean, omunye wabasokhozi ngam-identify ngathi mina hayi ngeke nganza kwethu. Konke wrong la. Wathi hayi ndanuva uzama ukuqheko ngathi ngiyanitshela. Uphi namhlanje? Kunjani namhlanje? Nangu umfana omncane ngabatshela ngathi mina this is uthunyiwe lo. I got background information ngathola ukuthi uthunyiwe. Yabo? Definitely. Uphi namhlanje we need to look at izinto without fear ibe ne favor masibuka izinto but we need to look izinto without fear and favor so that ngoba isinhlangano eqalayo sizokwazi ukuthi senze ama assessment right sibone ukuthi eyingozi le thatheni ibuyele ezansi le ngozi le niyohabula ileyo nto kufanele yenze ngoba mayilapha phezulu yenza damage yabo. Yabona, I remember that wama wedwa and we told people ukuthi guys, let's, as much as we are angry because Tina as MK members basithatha njengabantu aba angry but Tina we're not angry. We are just cannot allow ukuthi sishe nje ukubona ukuthi siyabona phethi indli yasha siyawuthanda uANC besithanda. Understand, but to ANC people within, they are failing it. There's a lot of things, guys. And these white people, they are studying us, and we are uzubone Tina as much as we win in those cases. These white people, they making deliberately so that we win those cases. Vele bebena indlela njoba bakwazi ukukhanda indlela yokuthi ke beMr Ramaphosa after that G7 meeting ukuthi wena hamba obopha uZuma naye esekhohlisekile uRamaphosa ukuthi no uZuma useyinje ngenamazinyo forgetting ukuthi uZuma is always humble and grounded ukubantu and we will die for uZuma. And people, they don't know that. Njengoba simile ene lento kaZuma we understand it earlier. Yabona mina la abantu ngiyabatshela ngoMalema, even white people, Malema is an agent. Mina uMalema ngaqala ukumdoubta eqambela uZuma mangethi uZuma udayise uGaddafi. Abantu, you know stories kaGaddafi, uZuma, if you remember, this NATO yakhona esi-expose uPutin. uZuma flew there. He was only one allowed
because njengoba ubona kwase kunemali yonke ithi sisethiwe ukuthi uZuma allowed since they declared as a no flying zone NATO, but uZuma went there ukuyomlanda uGaddafi ngenxa lento yobusosha yobukhomanisi iyayisegazini wathi no, I'll make other means ukuthi ngiphume ngcono mina ngifele la ngife in my uniform. You understand? Esezomlanda ukuthi azoba yanganoma yini fugitive or asile yamyala eSouth Africa. You understand? That was planned. Lona abelungu obayivela ibona abamfanda bemnika lo 300 million angakaza uphendule namanje $300 million lona khande ngawe iEFF. Ngitshela abantu ngizwa abantu beza bangathi bese betrusta uPaul Mashatile. Paul Mashatile is the same Ramaphosa, the same Paul Mashatile who was funding iSave South Africa that was against uNxamalala. You understand? The same policy kumele simthembe manje. You understand? Go to each and every, mina ngifuna njengamanje 90% yama restaurant kuma city, the managers are foreigners. If manager kuyi foreigner izohirisha abantu. Go to Pick n Pays, go to all food chain stores. You understand? Even now, as a security, they're in construction. Go to JRA in Joburg, tenders aphethwa igenge ngaphandle. Go to Mpumalanga, aphethwa ama foreigners. They've got more money than us. How are we gonna grow if we don't change? That is why it is very important. Good, let's have this 2/3 majority. That is the importance of having this 2/3 majority. Singathembeli go EFF because I want EFF jobe seyivezile uMalema and uyazi ngiyalalela inkulumo yakhe uZuma is very smart. Abantu abaningi they thought uZuma uzoya kwi EFF. You understand? uZuma uyamazi uMalema ukuthi uyi-agent. You understand? uMalema useshilo kumanje because they are working together beno Cyril. They were working together ubabona ukuthi look at now into abayenzile eGruleni. Umuntu owaye progressive uMzwandile Masina bazame ngayo yonke indlela ukumkhipha bamkhipha through DA sebeyambuyisela manje umuntu wabo. The same thing abayenzile la bekhipha uMavundla ngoba uyena wasave iTheku. Ngothini ngini unpackele indaba yeTheku lento ebiyenza ukuthi iEFF kuba ngathi ihlangana neANC. Yazi ukuthi the bigger picture.
Ungayi-unpack indangabala ngoba ngiyazi unolwazi oluningi mfethu sifuna ubuye ngoba kunabantu abanye siyazi uzobuya futhi siyazi uzobuya ngoba mawuke ya-unpack ngiyazi kuyoma ungomumi yabo.
Ngiyabonga mfowethu akunankinga.
Hayi siyabonga bhuti wami ngiyabonga nje nakusasa vele ulive uzovula ngibhizi bengibhizi 2 days kusasa angikho busy.
Ngizoba ngiphakathi mfowethu.
Danke siyabonga. Mboweni.
Hey, Maphumulo.
Yebo.
Njani?
Hayi siyaphila khomani.
Ngibingelele nabanye abakhona mfethu la kwi-live yakho. Yazi namhlanje ngingilalele nje bafethu. Ngicabanga ukuthi lokho kuchazayo wena Maphumulo kwezimo esezenzakelile ukhombisa ngokusobala ukuthi i-leadership ye-NK iyalalela ukuthi iyaphendula. Because ama-concern owarizile surely bayenzile i-investigation yabo eyenza ukuthi bathathe lesi sinqumo abasithathile yabo. Lokho kukhombisa ngokusobala ukuthi i-MK yabantu yabo kuzolalela. Namhlanje ngeke ngaqeda nje isikhathi eside ngikwesinye ispace lapha sikala umuntu ekuthiwa uColin i-live yakhe lapha lo we-EFF. Uyabona bafethu lento yokuyithoba ibalulekile bafethu. Siyacela bafethu ukuthi uma uyi-MK ake nje sifunde ukuyithoba. Ama-insult owazwayo la kuma-live maningi kakhulu yabo and baningi abantu base-South Africa bangena kulama-live bezolalela yabo. And the only person okwazi ukukhuluma naye manje umuntu o-registered to vote ovele uthi uyovota ufanele umnike umhlahlandlela. Le ye-youth ngicabanga ukuthi uNxamalala usuke wadisturba elamacala bemfaka wona. NgoDisemba 16 we-addressa thina esi-over 35 probably most states is-understandayo. And I think sooner or later he's going to address youth ngoba i-free education ingane yakhe njengoba dithi nje kuleli sonto uzoqedela kunezinto angayiqedanga. Ezinye zalezo zinto imfundo yamahhala, into akade ayimele umsholozi. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi sooner or later uzoyi-address i-youth. And kulaba abakhala ngey'ndawo nje ade besho ukuthi kamaphumulo kunobantu abadala abatshenwa izinto ey'ngezona. Lokho bafethu kukuthina sonke njengama-members a-MK. The only thing that we can do manje is senze sure la esikhona ukuthi usetekisini kuphi nje lo mfisa ade chaza. Ukhulume nge-MK. Asikhuluma amanga la, sikhuluma ama-fact. Yabo, umuntu umtshela iqiniso. Umuntu umtshela ukuthi iy'ndaba ayibukayo noma u-SABC uzombukisa iy'ndaba afuna u-SABC yena azazi, hhayi ngendlela izinto ezenzeka ngayo. Kubalulekile lokho. So now that asikwazi ukusebenzisa i-mainstream media through ukuthi i-bias. Kunalento yethu abantu abamnyama ekuthiwa word of mouth. Ave travela fast. Iyona if siyisebenzise. MK yasilweleni sithe usuku ngosuku umuntu akube khona okwenzele i-MK. If uconvince umuntu oyedwa wangena kwi-MK usebenzile fethu. Nakusasa uzozama oyedwa kanjalo kanjalo. Ngicabanga ukuthi nama-drive azothi ukuphakama as siku-April. We know ukuthi o-Wednesday i-visibility ya-MK iyadingakala nokumobilizer nokurejista abantu as well as o-Sunday. So asiphushe nje bafethu